Magnetic Levitator toy. The first tweak to reduce friction is to raise the end the point rests on so there's less pressure on the point of the levitator. A second tweak that is not shown would be to better balance the levitator with small pieces of tape. We will see in a moment that as it slows, it oscillates rather than slowing directly to a stop. The best tweak is to attach a pendulum. Since there's only a little friction, it will swing for a number of minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rumble, like, and share.